Kasi parang nag-grow na kami, pero parang I find something missing. So, I am Haina. I'm the CEO of Jaina Jewels and Sosimo Fashion Boutique.
I'm Justin Fu, the husband of Haina, and I'm the CFO of Jaina Jewels.
Before this emerged talaga, we are going through some, syempre, struggles, which is, I know that in one company, hindi naman siya talaga mawawala. Parang mas grateful kami ngayon kasi nakita din namin na talaga na-appreciate siya ng team namin. Mas, hopefully, they become more empowered. And this is my dream din talaga na magkaroon sila ng, magkaroon ng training. Ang isa naman sa natutunan ko siguro na take away ko from this is yung kailangan ko ring matuto. Yung I have to learn also to let go. Kasi sometimes, yung feeling of pag ikaw ang nag-alaga and yet you already done everything, pero pag talagang wala kang magawa, you have to learn to let go.
Actually, alam ko na ganito yung magiging outcome kasi we also attended and saw how Coach Migs inspired a lot of people. Iba talaga yung naging realization namin as husband and wife sa business namin. So, gustong-gusto namin i-share talaga yun sa mga staff namin, sa mga employees namin kasi we consider them as family, and alam ko na even though your investment talagang sobrang sulit siya kasi honestly talaga yung learning na mapupulot mo dito is priceless talaga siya.
Kahit ako may resistance of parang I'm putting a person dun sa position na hindi naman dapat para sa kanya. So siguro yun yung isa sa talagang dapat kong gawin is to put the right people dun sa nararapat na position to them so we can continuously grow. Kasi parang nag-grow na kami, pero parang I find something missing.
We're here to back them up, and yung mga talagang sabi nga ni Coach Palpak is sad to say we're letting them go, and alam mo yun, it's not our decision to let them go. It's just that they don't want to take the responsibility and duty na gawin talaga yung work ng tama.
100% that it's highly recommended kasi alam ko rin, kagaya namin mga owners, they have their own struggles in their businesses that might help their team kung ano din yung goals nila.